Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to use ChatGPT image generator. So guys, first thing what you will do is of course open the application ChatGPT and make sure you have it downloaded into your device. And now, with that said, right away you should be able to ask anything over here. So just provide a prompt. So I will give you an example. Let's say I'm gonna go for provide a picture of a cow in a field and just simply send. And just simply wait for it to load up as this may take some time. And as you can see, a lot of people are creating images right now, so this may take a bit. And now just simply wait for it to load up. And there you go. That's how to use ChatGPT image generator. You could just simply provide a prompt, and it is much better to provide a specific prompt in order for you to utilize the ChatGPT application. There you go. See ya.